The delicious aroma of freshly baked banana bread from your kitchen in the morning sounds like the perfect way to start your day, and that sounds like perfection to me. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am going to be showing you a step-by-step recipe on how to make the most delicious, absolutely melt in your mouth banana bread that is filled with raisins and pecan nuts, and everybody is absolutely going to love this. The best part is it is so easy to follow and it's a fail-proof recipe that guarantees you same great results every single time. So all you have to do is click on that subscribe button and be a part of the family and watch this video from the beginning till the end. So let's get into the recipe. You're going to need 3 overly ripe large bananas. Overly ripe because they tend to be sweeter and they give you the best results when it comes to banana bread. You're going to mash this using a fork, or if you have a potato masher, that works just fine. Mash to your preference. If you like huge chunks of banana in your banana bread, you can leave them, but if you want them to be finely pureed, go ahead. Next, I go in with 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also crack in 2 eggs. All of the ingredients and their measurements will be in my description box, so do check that out. I'm also going to be adding 1 cup of melted butter, 2 large tablespoons of Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Now, the Greek yogurt adds another level of moistness and deliciousness to your banana bread, which is why I always add it to mine. So don't skip it at all. Give that a good mix till everything is well incorporated, and you will notice that whilst you're mixing, the bananas begin to puree even further. So if you did not puree them so fine in the beginning, they will still continue to puree while you are mixing. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. I used 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I already sifted this. I went in with 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now I also went in with a handful of pecan nuts, chopped pecan nuts, golden raisins, and some blue raisins. Now you do not want to overly mix in the dry to the wet ingredients. You want to gently fold it in till it is well combined. Once you overly mix it, your banana bread is going to turn out really tough and hard, and you would not like that. You want a very soft, crumbly, melt in your mouth kind of banana bread. So you fold in the dry ingredients into the wet batter slowly till everything is well combined and incorporated like this. If you're still watching this video up until this point, that means you're enjoying it. Do check out all the videos on my channel, and also do give this video a thumbs up so that it gets to more people. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Back to our banana bread. We're going to continue to fold it in till everything is well mixed and there is no flour or wet mixture sitting on its own. Everything is well incorporated. I absolutely love to have my banana bread while it's still warm with some ice cream, and it just serves as a perfect dessert. When it is mixed together, set that aside and break out your baking dish. Make sure to rub some butter onto your baking dish. This will ensure that your banana bread comes out clean when it is baked. Mind you, your oven should already be turned on now so that it can preheat properly before you add in your banana bread. Scoop every bit of that delicious banana bread mix onto your baking dish and try to smoothen out the top. I went in with 2 slices finely sliced bananas, and then I topped them off with some white sugar just to add a bit more sweetness and crispiness to the banana bread on top. Okay, you can totally leave this out if you want to. This is what it looks like, and we're going to bake this in a preheated oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes until it is golden brown and it looks this delicious. Tell me, isn't this the best banana bread you've ever seen? It is absolutely delicious. My kitchen smells so amazing at this point, and the banana bread came out just perfectly. This recipe is a fail-proof recipe, trust me. Okay, now just go ahead to slice according to how thick or how thin you want your banana slices to be, and look at the steam that is coming out of it, because it was still hot while I was slicing this, and it was absolutely delicious. So moist, so delicious. Like, all of the goodness of banana bread is in this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what else you would like me to bake for you. Subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.